For English 2 on Tuesday, of course, make sure you take attendance, do the daily check-in. You will be reading for 10 minutes. You're going to respond to a quick write, and you'll be practicing optic. We're going to be looking at some pictures. So after you read for 10 minutes, you're going to answer these questions about your book. There's 4 to complete, and number 1, number 3 have 2 questions. So make sure you answer every single question and write in complete sentences. You can use the text entry box. After you're finished with that, we have optic. Yesterday, you took a look at this picture, and today we're going to use optic, OPTIC. Here's what it means. O is overview. You sum up what you notice about the picture in one sentence. P is for part. What details about the picture seem the most important? T is tone. What's the overall tone of the image? Is it positive or negative? I is interrelationships. How do the items in the image relate to each other? Is there a negative relationship? Is there a positive one? C is conclusion. What are your thoughts on the piece? What do you think about it after looking at all the details, relationships? What is the argument of the artist? What is this artist saying about people, phones, and people in general? So underneath the picture, you see a chart that has optic, O, P, T, I, C. So the overview, again, I'm not going to read everything, but I am going to go over it quickly. So the overview here, it says lots of people look like zombies as they stare at their phones. Okay. The parts. Look at the dead looks on their faces and the way they're hunched over. They're not standing tall. And this reminds us of zombies, which are brainless monsters that are more dead than alive. Okay. And then the phones with the Apple logo, the Samsung logo, and the advertisements in the background give us a signal that they are to blame for the zombies. T, tone. Again, the tone is scary. The colors are orange and yellow. It looks like fire. The zombies look to be towering over us, meaning that they're bigger than us, and it reminds a lot of people about scary or horror movies. And again, what I'm doing here is just going over what is on the right side of the chart, the optic chart. Interrelationships, people in the image are unaware of each other. Their eyes are all focused on the phones as if they have no relationship besides their phone. So there's a lot of zombies here, but they are completely connected to their phone. They might not know that there's someone next to them, or at least that's what it looks like. And then the main message, the artist is warning us that staring at our phones is making us brain dead and leading us to our destruction. And again, I just went over the chart, and what you're going to do is look at another picture, and you're going to do the same thing with the chart. Okay? So again, Tuesday, you are going to pick one of these pictures, and you're going to fill out the chart. You can click here to practice. You have to pick one to complete. So pick one of these to complete. You're going to type the information here. And you're going to do the same thing that I did with the zombie picture. There's some other examples here that you can look at. But the last thing for you to do is to pick either this photo or this one. This is an infographic, and complete the chart. And when you're finished, you're just going to share it. And I think, yes, so just share it with me. Remember to share it with someone. You're going to put my name here, and it's going to look like this. Click it, done. If you have questions, send me a message. Have a good day.